In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn with Whop Music Royalties. If you've been eager to dive into the world of music royalties and want a platform that simplifies the process, you're in the right place. We'll be walking through the steps to get you started on Whop, a platform that offers a straightforward way to explore and earn from music royalties. So, let's jump right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Whop's main page. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Whop homepage. This is where your journey begins. Once there, you'll see a variety of options on the left-hand side of your screen. Look for the option labeled Discover and give it a click. This section is designed to help you explore and find the categories that interest you, so it's an important step in the process. After clicking on Discover, the next step is to locate and select Clipping. This feature allows you to zero in on specific content areas within the Whop platform, making it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. Think of it as a filter that helps you streamline your search. With clipping selected, it's time to move on to the next choice, which is Category. Click on this option to further narrow down your search parameters. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for the final selection process. Categories on Whop are diverse, so this is where you can start honing in on your specific interests. Next up, and perhaps the most exciting part, is selecting music. Click on Music to delve into the world of music royalties. This category is where you'll find opportunities related to music, including royalty options. Whop organizes content efficiently, so by following these steps, you'll land right where you need to be to start exploring music royalties. Once you're in the music section, you can explore various royalty opportunities. Take your time to look around and understand the different options available. This is where you can evaluate potential earnings and decide what aligns best with your interests and goals. Remember, the key to success with music royalties on Whop is understanding the platform and exploring the options thoroughly. Don't rush. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the content and resources available. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and ultimately increase your earning potential. That wraps up our walkthrough on how to earn with Whop Music Royalties. We've gone through each step to ensure you're well prepared to navigate the platform and start exploring the exciting world of music royalties. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy exploring and earning.